to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Okay, so we are getting to know the interface of Microsoft Excel, being that this is what you are seeing now. This bar that you are seeing from here to here is what we call quick access toolbar. If you have followed me through my Microsoft Word tutorials, you get to understand that there are similar things that are in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and also in Microsoft PowerPoint. These three apps are similar features. So when we have undergone our Microsoft Word tutorials, you will be more equipped with some of the things I'll be saying in this tutorial. So right here have a bar which we call quick access toolbar, while beside it we have the bar which we call title bar. A title bar helps us to know the name of the document we are actually working on. As you can see my cursor here, this is displaying book 1 Excel. If I have opened Microsoft Word, you will see that it will display Word here. This place you are seeing Excel, it will be Word. If I've opened Microsoft PowerPoint, this place will be replaced with PowerPoint. So this particular bar helps us to know the name. Is we call it title bar. Okay, is what indicates the name of the package that we are currently working on. Then look, I've told you this is quick access toolbar, which enables us to access a tool package. So beneath it we have what we call tabs. We have file tab, home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formulas tab, data tab, review tab, view tab. We have lots of tab here. The same thing in Microsoft Word, it also has tabs and menus too. So in each tab have different ribbons. What I mean by ribbon is this part now from here to here, we call it ribbon. So any of the tabs that I'm clicking, you observe that my ribbon is changing. Any tabs, so each tabs are different ribbon. Okay, so coming down we have what we have home tab, which enables us to format our text. These are where you're going to see some tools that we mostly use to format our text. So it incorporates all text and self-formatting features such as font, paragraph changes, and all that. And home tab is also includes basic spreadsheet formatting elements such as text lab, merging cells, cell styles. So when it comes to the next tab, which is insert tab allows you to insert a variety of items into a document, from pictures, clip art, and headers and footers. So the next one is page layout tab, which enables us to adjust our page, just to set up our page, maybe such as our margin, orientation, and themes. So all these tabs has their different works. Okay, it has a different works. Then the formula tabs is a tab. This tab has a command to use when creating formulas. Okay, so it holds an immense function library which can assist when creating any formula or function in your spreadsheet, which I've told you that Microsoft Excel package is a spreadsheet package. Okay, which you can use to do calculation, data analysis, and more of that. So the data tab, it how really allows you to modify spreadsheet with large amounts of data by sorting and filtering, as well as analyzing and grouping data. Review tab. This tab allows you to correct spelling and grammar issues such as set up security protections. It also provides track changes and note features, providing the ability to make notes and changes someone's document. The last but not the least tab, which is this tab, is the View tab. The View tab allows you to change the view of your document, including freezing and sprinting panes, viewing guidelines, and hide cells. If you click on View tab, you're going to see lots of things. If I click on these guidelines, can you see this place now has now become clean because I'm able to uncheck this guideline. So if I check it again, that's it. So View tab enables us to make some changes on the view of our document. So this is the little thing you need to know about the interface of Microsoft Excel. Okay, so getting down here, this space is what we call formula bar. Okay, formula bar, which enables us to enter the formula that we want to enter into Microsoft Excel. You can stay here and type in the formula. So anything I'm typing in here will also appear wherever my cursor are selected. So any cell that I've selected, anywhere my cursor is, for example, if my cursor is here now and I want to enter data here, I can just enter my data, and any data I'm entering here will also appear here. So it's either I enter from here, I just click here and enter, or I just click where I want to enter the data and then type in the data. Okay, so it's mainly a formula tab. Okay, so getting down here, we have I believe you are seeing the alphabets here, and also you are seeing the numbers. The alphabets are the rows. Okay, the alphabets is what really dictates. The alphabet is like this, it's on rows, but it's mainly the columns. Okay, it represents the columns. The alphabet represents the columns. So if I click on any of the alphabet now, maybe if I click on D, letter D, can you see is indicating that alphabet really represent the columns, while the numbers represent the rows. Can you see? This is the row. I just click on any of the numbers, it represent the rows, while the alphabet represent the columns. So where both the alphabet, where both the rows and column merge together is what we call cell. So if I click on any place where you see this one and this one, this is the row and this is the column. Both of them has been merged together. So once both has been merged together, we call it cell. Okay, so you understand it more in the next tutorial. So coming down, you get to understand that this is a cell, just a one cell. But if I say to highlight menu, we call it range of cells. So coming down, we have what we call sheets. We have what we call sheet here. This is sheet 1. If I want to add more sheets, I can say if you get more to coverage row, you get to understand that it comes with pages. Okay, so it is sheet 1. I can start to add more sheet by clicking on this plus sign, click on it, click on the plus icon. Can you see I'm adding more sheets? If you want to rename any of the sheets, I can just double click. Can you see it will highlight it, then I type anything I want to name it. Can you see? Or you can just right click on it and click on the name. Can you see? Click on the name, then you type anything you want to type. So this is actually how it works, guys. Another thing I want to show here is this normal, it's just a page layout tab. It's just the view, okay, of how your document is. Then the next one is what we call the view of it, your view. Okay, sorry, let me remove this. It's just the view. Let me remove this. Okay, just the view, the zoom. Can you see? With this, I can be able to zoom my page. I can be able to zoom it. I can be able to zoom it just by adjusting it. Can you see? Can be able to zoom my page. So this is the interface of Microsoft Excel. So in the next tutorial, we are going to dive into the main tutorial, practicalizing most of things and making use of some tools in Microsoft Excel. Alright, I will see you in the next tutorial. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. In our YouTube channel, Frantic ICT Academy channel, we have lots of free tutorials that you can learn and advance in any ICT skills that you want to advance in. So it's good to subscribe and then learn with us. Alright, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.